Hello, my name is Uwe. I'm a shop floor operator and controlling multiple 3 to 5 axis machine tools. All of our machine tools are programmed by my colleague Lars inside the NC programming department. Here you can see a toolpath-based simulation of the NC program running on this Pocket NC. All data is available inside the managed environment and controlled by our Siemens shop floor operation system. As we received an update on the grill component, the NC programming department asked to cut a new version of the insert. I automatically receive a new updated NXCAM assembly, including machine tools, an updated cutting tool list, as well as a required work instruction and NC program. To correctly set up fixtures and plank, I use NX to measure exact positionings. With this, I can make 100% sure to have the same setup on the real machine tool as inside the virtual machine tool. We are using Teamcenter with Shopfloor Resource Management. The Teamcenter integrated DNC solution allows access to all manufacturing information directly at the shop floor on a simple web-based interface. With this, we can reduce setup and machining time. NXCAM machine kits are used inside the NC programming department. This allows an NC code-based simulation, and the NC code we receive here at the shop floor is already proven out. High-quality toolpaths can be sent directly to the machine tool without the need of additional tryout. This reduces overall machining time. We also produce simple machining on castings. To be more flexible, this programming is done here at the shop floor. We are also using NXCAM with the highly automated and customized shop floor user interface created by our IT department. In the case we do not have the correct post processor to control our machine tools, I'm using NXCAM PostHub to get a proven post processor out of a cloud-based system. With this, I am able to get very quickly access to many proven post processors or machine kits. PostHub is a flexible cloud-based system which allows to try out machine kits before buying it. To sum the utilization improvements in the shop floor department. Directly get NC program and cutting tool list from NC programming department. Get better machining quality and reduce machining time by proven NC code. Reduce setup time as all required information is directly sent to machine tool. Reduce tryout time on physical machine tool by NXCAM simulation and virtual machine. Use advantage of PostHub to get optimized and proven post processor.